Hi guys, welcome to another ride along with Ron. Well, today is a beautiful Sunday afternoon, nice and warm in the mid 70s, mid October. So Donna and I decided to take a ride into Coggshall Park up in Fitchburg. So I came up on the main street, and I think it was Route 12, the north there. Correct me if I'm wrong, up by the Hyundai dealership. But yeah, I came up to the stop sign just past the cow barn and wait for the traffic to clear out of there. And then I'm going to go through the Twin City Plaza, which will always be the Kmart Plaza to me. This is the way when I go to the Burbank Hospital with Donna. There will be a couple of weeks I go down this way on from West Street. But here we're coming up this back road over here, and we'll go down these roads here. Now, I think over there, if we go a little further and go down that way, it's Leominster on that side. I think that used to be one of the home beverage, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we'll figure that out when we go down to that road another day. I'm getting kind of low on gas and my funds, so I got to be careful now the rest of the month with my, take it easy on the road videos. But it's all part of fun and having a good day. So we're coming into the former Kmart Plaza area. Yeah, my Bob's over there is closed now. That's all done. And I'm getting ready to cross over here. And speed limit in through here is 15 miles an hour, so I don't push it. I go with the speed limit, and I try to keep it down even lower than that. And come to the complete stop. Make sure nobody wants to cross over or cross from me. And cruising along over here on the left here, you got some establishments over there, Burger King and some other places there. The Uno's closed, by the way, in case you were wondering. But we're in the Fitchburg-Leominster line right about now. Right now we're just about into Fitchburg. So when you go to Coggshall Park, whether you guys and gals that haven't been in that area for a little while or for a long time, we're going down Electric Ave over here in South Street. So I'm cutting over here in the to my right over here, and there's a gas station over there, and Dunkin' Donuts and Fidelity Bank. There's a McDonald's on my right. I'll talk over the video there, and I just pause it every now and then when I want to just take a break. Just so you guys and gals, just a fun video, It's just you can see in Fitchburg, they got the roads are really, really rough. And a lot of new establishments been up over here. And it seems to me on my left over here, I can remember there used to be airport auto sales at one point. And some construction going on there for some new businesses. Again, we're going down South Street over here. Beautiful, beautiful day today. The weather this week has been absolutely gorgeous. I've been trying to get out there the best I can. Having issues going on in my right knee area. I think it's just arthritis, but I could be wrong. But I'm going to have it checked out anyways. I'm in really a lot of pain when I'm going walking. And you guys and gals know me. That walking is my thing. I love walking. So now we're crossing the set of lights over here. And again, you can see all the big, bright, different colors in the trees. You can see all the road is in really rough shape. It might have a little shaky video here and there. There's a church over here on my right. Don't know what the name of that church is. So we're in Fitchburg today. We're going down to Coggshall Park. We're going to do a ride around up by the pond and just park the car and have some still photographs at the in between, and I got a little bit of video with the geese, and find it pretty interesting. Share your memories about Coggshall Park, by the way, because I can remember as a kid going down there and going ice skating, and I can remember fishing there when I was a kid. There's no fishing there allowed anymore, but I believe every now and then they'll open it up to the kids. Now, there used to be swans in there in that area, but I think somebody killed them or whatever. Again, people just don't damn care. Another day we'll go down to Coggshall Park and we'll drive the car around the whole pond there, except for the part where you can't drive around. The only problem with a lot of these videos that I'm doing, guys, is that these side streets, especially when I want to do the French Hill area, I'm not going to go down to the dead end part of those streets there because it's just too hard for me to turn the car around. And You know, yeah, we'll go slow when we start doing these the French Hill project together, because that's going to be a big project I'm going to do. So far, I got Mechanic Street done, and I got Water Street done, and I want to do Laurel Street, First Street, all the way down to 12th Street, and I want to do Spruce Street. I haven't done Spruce Street yet for you guys, and the reason being is because earlier this summer when I went down Spruce Street, there they had it all under construction in some different areas. They were tearing up the roads. So now we're coming down to Electric Ave. That's a doctor's place on my right hand side, by the way, because Fitchburg is a really beautiful. It all depends on which part of Fitchburg you live in, but I couldn't afford Unitel. So now we're coming up to the Knights of Columbus over here on my left, and we're going to take a left right over here. Just waiting out for the traffic to clear out. If you come down over here, the speed limit's only 15 miles an hour, so you got to really be careful. The only problem I was having was the sun coming in over there in the camera lens, but you get the idea anyways. Nice fall foliage. So when you come down to the end over here, we're going to take a right over here at the stop sign. And again, you got to go really slow through here because you got people walking. And, you've traffic coming in from all directions at different times of day. Now, Donna and I, we parked the car over here a couple of times and we walked down there. It all depends on how well you can get around and how well you can walk. Some guy was over there in that little park area there just taking photography. And you take a right into here, and it takes you right into the park. Now, when we were kids there, when we came up here, I used to go walking in all throughout these trails with my dad and my mom and my aunt. And they used to love bringing us kids down here, and it was always fun. I think they probably later on, probably kind of do Whalen Park for you guys, Whalen District there, and it'll always be Whalen Park for me, and we'll do that another day. Now they got all condos over there now. They really did a nice job of redesigning it, but nothing ever stays the same anymore. So coming up here to the end over here, and then we're going to take a left. So I'm going to show you where I usually park the car when I come over here. And I did park over there sometimes, over there by the swing sets and everything, but I prefer to park it down over there so when I'm ready to leave I can just take off. So now I'm over here, I'm at the stop sign and waiting to see if those people wanted to cross, and they didn't, so now I'm just taking my left. This is the beautiful pond. And we're going to go into another different video over here just before I park my car. So I parked my car over here on the side over here, and then I didn't walk down to the pavilion there because it was too rocky for my wife and myself today. So this is the pond over there. You can see the geese, and just a short little video clip I put together for you guys. You can see the problem I had with the bright sun that day was coming in over the camera lens. It was just, I had T-Mobile there, but I'm not happy with it, and so I'm going over the Verizon files. I priced out all three Verizon files, Comcast and T-Mobile. They eventually add up to all the three prices, to almost really the same. So you just basically budget what you can afford. So for at least the first month, I'll get all the channels, and I'll be able to go back to watching I miss my sports more than anything, and I can get it with T-Mobile, but it'll be another $30 every time I get a channel. It's either $12 or $15 or $20 or $30. And when you add up all the small fees, it winds up being more than what you've been paying for. So we're just going to go back to Verizon files and just deal with it, but I'm only going to get 2 cable boxes, because I'm going to keep one of the Roku boxes for out front. Then, because I don't watch the TV out front that much. But look at the beautiful, nice photographs there. They came out really super. Yeah, and I'm in the market to get a new mobile phone too, and I'm going to probably wind up getting a new phone number with Verizon files in it probably next month. Is the nice little pavilion over there. They have concerts over there throughout the summer there. Colonial Band, Fitchburg Colonial Band plays over there. Good, beautiful, beautiful bright colors. There's some more of the geese that I've taken some photography, photographs, and video. So now we're back. We're back on the road. So that way we stayed there almost an hour and a half. Donna was just enjoying herself, and I was kind of like walking around a little bit and just enjoying myself. And so many times I used to have to come up here with my cane and just be very vigilant and careful walking. Now that I don't need a cane anymore, I still have it at the house in case I do need it. But I'm having problems with my right knee, so it's what's going on. It feels like it might have popped out of dislocated or maybe just arthritis, but I'm going to have it checked out anyways because it's raising havoc with me walking right now. And so we're coming in to almost getting back onto Electric Ave. And just being careful where I cross over right here. I'm taking a left over here. Coming up to the stop sign, making sure nobody wants to cross over that way. You always got to stop there, look in both directions, in back of you, in front of you, because you never know what these people there. And somebody else is pulling in over there, I believe. Just about coming to the end of Coggshall Park over here, and then we're going to come back the other way. So let me know, if there's any place you want me to go, I'd probably like to go down to Route 2 sometime and drive down that way. Maybe go to the Leominster State Forest area, drive around there for a little while. Anything that's Leominster. There's quite a number of roads I hadn't done yet, and I just, I just got to be careful with the gas, because towards the end of the month and we are almost out of cash. So I had a job offer there. The guy still wanted me to work there, but he goes, I don't know if I can. It's for commission at Bob's Discount Furniture. And that was the question I had asked for the day, would you work on the commission? And, I don't know. I had to give up my Saturday and Sunday, work till 9 o'clock both nights and work during the week. I don't know if I want to work. I can't. I don't want to work second shift no more. I did that for too long. I'm only looking for part-time, 2 or 3 days a week. Still might go down and talk to Frank over there at Market Basket and get something from him over there, because he's been after me for quite a while to go to work there. But anyways, we're on Electric Ave. We're getting ready to come on to South Street. Again, I really take my time when I'm driving. I don't push it anymore. It's not worth it. So now we're on South Street. And coming up, we're going to go past a set of lights. Such a beautiful day, a beautiful week. Got to spend another day with my wife. And yeah, she's okay, but it is what it is, guys. Just taking one day as God gets me with her. And we don't know. Just enjoying each other's company while we still have each other. The biggest thing for Donna and I right now, like many of you guys and gals, is we're struggling with the food. It's the prices are killing me right now. I went back to the checking account for the last 2 months, and I wanted to see where all the money is going to. It's going to all food. And I can't get organic. I can't get the stuff that I want, so I get stuff that we can budget and make multiple meals out of something. I don't like eating pasta all the time, and I'm not supposed to be eating pasta on weight loss, but then I got no choice because, the fact that this economy is so damn stinking expensive. So yeah, Fitchburg is okay. I don't mind it, especially if you're not familiar with it. You can just drive around and eventually you come up to a street you might recognize. That's why I love using the GPS. And I can just drive around to my heart's content and just take video and narrate what I'm seeing while I'm driving. Oh yeah, you can always tell it's election time. That's an animal hospital over there on the right there. And I'm sure, I think that was the airport auto sales at one point. Not the auto sales, airport sales. What they used to sell appliances and stuff like that, which is now, I believe, it's over there on Airport Road. I'm not sure, but anyways, if somebody might know, let me know. So we're just about coming up to the end here, so I'm going to take the car and drive all the way down to the set of lights over there by that Dunkin' Donuts in that gas station and McDonald's on the left, and that'll be pretty much the end of the video. But anyways, I can't thank you guys and gals enough there, and if there's any road videos you want me to do that you haven't seen, you let me know. And if you got any memories of Coggshall Park, just let me know. Kmart's, remember the Kmart blue light specials they used to have? I miss those days. Those days were affordable. We had money left over. We were able to go out, do bingo 7 nights a week, and still had money left over. Not anymore. Boy, how times have changed. But anyways, have a great day, and thank you for watching my video. Enjoy your day.